Christopher Columbus discovered America in 1492. That's official. But the clocks have to be put right on that because of the Viking exploits told of in the sagas. The Norths, another name for the Vikings, had sort of itchy feet. In 980, hardly had they settled in Iceland when a sailor who had gone off course in a storm spotted islands off unknown shores. Eric the Red, having just been banished from Iceland because of a crime, left in search of these mysterious islands. He discovered a land covered in prairies that he baptized Greenland, and he settled there. Lefre, Eric the Red's son, continued to push out the limits of the unknown world and reached a place even further west he baptized Vinland because it was covered of vines. Then he returned to Greenland with his cargo. Thorfinn Karlsefni, a rich Icelandic merchant, following Lefre's indications, left to colonize Vinland. Freydis and Thorvald, Eric the Red's daughter, and his second son were part of the adventure. During the voyage, Thorfinn's wife gave birth to Snorri, the first European born in the New World. After a year, repeated attacks by Amerindians get the better of the colony. Thorvald was killed and the colony survivors returned to Greenland. Following indications in the sagas, the Norwegian Helge Ingstad carried out digs. In 1960, at Meadows Bay on the island of Terre-Neuve, 6 habitations and a smithy were uncovered, scientifically dated back to the 11th century. 5 centuries before Christopher Columbus, the Vikings had discovered America.